In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to connect ChatGPT with Canva in just a few simple steps. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to connect ChatGPT with Canva in just a few simple steps. To begin, head over to the left sidebar inside ChatGPT and click on GPT section. From here, look for Canva. You might already see it listed under the featured or future section, but if not, simply type Canva into the search bar. Be careful here because there are quite a few fake or unofficial versions, so make sure you select the official Canva option that appears at the top. Once you click on it, hit Start Chat, and now you can directly ask Canva to create designs for you inside ChatGPT. Here you're gonna find these example prompts. You can click any of it. ChatGPT will then ask for a few details, so keep it simple and fill them in. After that, you'll see a message saying it's connecting to Canva, and all you need to do is confirm. Give it a moment and Canva will generate actual design options right inside ChatGPT. In this case, it has created 4 designs. That's it. This is how you can connect Canva with ChatGPT and start creating designs without leaving the chat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.